What's up, flawless gang? So I'm back with a brand new video, and it is another install, of course. So today we're working with Luvme Hair. They first sent me over this black comb that I can definitely use, and some more gifts, some lashes, of course. They sent over these purple nails, which was shocking. I never got nails before. This cheetah scrunchie, earrings, and then I think it's like a pop socket or something that you put on the back of your phone. And then of course some wig caps, and they sent this little brochure on how to take care of your wigs if you are not sure. So that is all the gifts. They sent some really nice gifts, and this is the hair, y'all. We are working with some 5x5 closure HD lace, undetectable. We love that. This wig was bomb. It performed so well, and I just love this entire install. I did this cute little style instead of, just doing like a middle part and just, curling it up. No, I wanted to do something different. I was like, let's spice this little install up and give it a cute little style. I did this like the night before I had, planned to install this, and it turned out so cute. I love how different it is, and it just gives the hair just a different look. So if you guys would like me to do like an in-depth video on how I actually did that, it's so easy. But if you guys would like me to do it, let me know and I can do it for you guys. You can even do this on your natural hair. It's so easy. Like, it was so simple. I was watching some videos and I kind of was confused in the beginning, but I got it. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys keep watching. I'm gonna come back in a little minute because I used some different hair products in here I want to let you guys know about, because I really did like them as well to help with the finishing look for the install. So keep watching, y'all. I'll let you guys see how I installed this beautiful wig.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We just having this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We just having this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We just having this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We just having this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas brown, high and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in started shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride or die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in a
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
Alright y'all, so I'm working with this company called Milkshake, and they sent me over some of their hair products, and I'm first applying their leave-in conditioner throughout my curls. And let me tell y'all, when I first got this package in the mail, I was blown away at how delicious and just edible these products smell. They literally smell like sugar, vanilla, milk, and like honey. It's so good. It's addicting to smell the scent throughout your hair, and it's just so nice to have a beautiful smelling product in your hair without smelling like chemicals. I love this so much. And then of course they sent me over their number one product, which is their whipped cream, but not for your mouth, it's for your hair. This is their whipped cream, kind of like a mousse foam, and you apply it through your hair. Either you can do it on dry hair or wet hair, but I'm using it as a mousse to give my curls a little bit more of a, fluffier look. And just, oh my god, this product smells so good. It just smells like milk and like vanilla. It's so delicious. Y'all need to definitely get these products. I love the way my curls look with it, and I couldn't stop smelling my hair because it smells so edible. It's so good. I will have them linked below. Check Milkshake out. Definitely chef kiss. Alright guys, so I'm going to also let you guys know my final review on Love Me hair. I really did enjoy this hair. It was so nice. The lace was beyond amazing. That HD lace just blended so beautiful into my skin. It melted effortlessly. The actual like thickness of the hair was beautiful. It's not thin, because some curly hair can be thin. This 5x5 closure was so thick, and I just love the way it turned out. You guys should definitely check this wig. I will have it below. Love Me definitely gets a show some reapproved stamp for sure. I love this hair, and I just love how versatile you can do, different styles with closures. Like, I feel like we should all get into like, just doing different styles. I feel like some of us just stick into like the middle part or the side part, do some fun stuff, like do some braids, do something else. But I will have Love Me hair linked below. Check them out, guys. 10 out of 10. I love their hair. But with all that being said, guys, I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys back in my next video very, very soon. Bye, everyone. Mwah.